In this video, we'll show you how to locate the recycle bin on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's say you've made a post and decided to delete it by clicking the three dots at the top right and selecting Move to Bin. After confirming by clicking Move, you might wonder how to access your recycle bin. To find it, first tap on the menu button, which could be located at the bottom or top right of your screen. Then scroll down and look for Settings and Privacy and tap on it. After that, tap Settings. Scroll down until you find the Your Activity section, where you'll see an option for Activity Log.
Tap on it.
At the top of the page, you'll find an option for Trash. Tap on that and you'll see a list of items you've moved there. If you'd like to restore something, you can select it and tap Restore at the bottom. Please note that items in the recycle bin are only kept for around 29 days. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like.